we are going to learn a story of our little triangle friend. Geometric shapes, the triangle. Shall we go, little friends? I am the triangle. I am the triangle. I'm the triangle. I have 3 beaks. With a head I serve for the clowns. Which of these geometric shapes is the triangle? What is the largest triangle? What geometric shape does this object have? Don't forget, I'm the triangle. I have 3 tips. Check it out now. Do your math. For today, it's just little friends. Now subscribe to the Nuno Kids channel and learn while having fun. Bye.